running, looks like. Little mess all down through here. Come down 199. They look bad enough coming down 221. Blow the roof, slam off that house. I mean, slam off. I got one lane traffic down through here. That road blocked completely off right there. Right out the road right there. Yeah, maybe I should have stayed on the interstate. Yeah, I should have. Mount Vernon caught hell too. Right there, the roof is gone. Come on, go there, pick up. Come on, man. Letting them come on through. I can't get down that road. These good old boys with chainsaws at. Lord, I should have brought mine. We must be out here cutting this stuff out the road and go live then. Roof blowed off Circle K over there. Damn, T-Bird's got that damn roof blowed off too. Damn, burning the bank.
Damn shit, we're going under and going around. It's getting sketchier and sketchier. Every time farther east we go. Yeah, I'm noticing that. This still didn't hit like Michael. Michael had total destruction through Albany. Over here you see spots, you know, hit and miss. Well, it's populated stuff. Now that metal beetling over there didn't make it. Yeah, you would think it'd be people out here with barbecue grills. You would think.